Welcome to today's session on an example for if-else program construct. Okay, so here we have the variable total. Okay, so before that I go here. So I am giving m1 is equal to as dot integer read line enter m1 and m2 is as dot integer read line enter m2. Similarly, I am giving for till m5. So that is I am getting the user input for mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4 and mark 5, and I am storing that in the variables m1, m2, m3, m4 and m5. Okay, so for that I am getting I am using the function read line to get the input, and I am storing that as integer. I am converting that as integer and then I am storing into m1, m2, m3, m4 and m5. Okay, so let me execute this. See here it is asking for enter m1. I am giving a mark 65, 70, 75, 80, 64. So I have given 5 marks. Okay, so in here in total I am storing m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4 plus m5. So I am storing the total of the 5 marks in total. So then I am dividing this total by 5 and I am storing that in the variable percentage. Okay, so then I am printing the variable percentage. Okay, so let me execute these things first. So total is executed, percentage is executed. So percentage is printed, the percentage is 70.8. Okay, so in the if construct we are using if space within bracket the condition, that is if the percentage is greater than or equal to 90, open the flower bracket and then print within quotes grade equal to A. Okay, so and for the next condition, after the flower bracket immediately you have to give else space if, then within the bracket you have to give the condition. So the condition is percentage is greater than or equal to 80 and percentage is less than or equal to 89. Then within flower bracket you are printing grade equal to B. Okay, so then closing the flower bracket, immediately after closing the flower bracket you have to start this else space if, then the condition the percentage is greater than or equal to 60 and percentage less than or equal to 79, then open this flower bracket, then print grade equal to C. Similarly, after closing the flower bracket here, so have it as else space if, then within the bracket you have the condition percentage greater than or equal to 33 and percentage and, so this and you have double ampersand. Okay, so percentage less than or equal to 59 means print grade equal to D. Okay, so you are using the if construct and the else if construct. Okay, so for else if you should not have the else in the next line, so it should start immediately after the flower bracket of the if statement of the previous flower bracket. Okay, see here after the flower bracket you are starting the else condition. Okay, so this is the syntax for if else. So let me execute this construct. So each and every else if is getting executed. So now the grade is printed as C, because what is our average? Average is 70.5. So and that lies in the grade C. That is in this else if the percentage is greater than or equal to 60 and percentage is less than or equal to 79. So it is grade C. So grade C is getting printed. Okay, so you now understand how to get the input from the user using the function read line and convert that into an integer using the function as dot integer, then add everything, add all the marks and store in total, then divide the total by 5 and store in percentage, then print the percentage, then inside the if you give the condition for the percentage whether it is greater than or equal to 90, so print the grade, then else if the other conditions. Similarly, you give for all the conditions for the different grades A, B, C and D. So and you can print the grade accordingly. Okay, so this is a simple example for how to use a if construct in R programming. Hope it was useful. Thank you for your patience listening.